Okay, students. So this is the yesterday continuous class. Connected bodies. Connected bodies. So one application. This is also very most important in the examination point of view. So this is the mass of the body connected by a rope of mass small m by a force F. So some axial force will be applied on the rope. The system will be moving in this way. This is the acceleration. A be the acceleration of the body. Total acceleration of the system. Total acceleration of the system. So a horizontal force is applied on the mass of the body capital M by using a rope. By using a rope. Okay. What quantity of tension will be acting on capital M? What quantity of tension on capital M? What quantity of tension acting on capital M due to rho? Due to rho. Due to rho. Okay. See, by using the force applied on the rope, the total system will be accelerated like this. Then acceleration of the system is given by total force by total mass. Already we know. This is the acceleration of the entire system. Okay. Now, what quantity of force acting on M due to rope? Due to rope. So this is connected body. By our convenience, to slip the body into two parts like this. This is the capital M. This is the capital M like this. This is the rope. Rope of mass M. This is the tension. So find the tension. Find the tension. So what quantity of tension acting on capital M? Okay. So this is the acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the system. So draw the free body diagram for capital M. So like this is the capital M, this is the tension, okay, this is the tension, this is the acceleration. So tension is equal to what? Tension is equal to M into A. So M into, what is the value of A? What is the value of A? F by M plus M. So simply this is the tension acting on M due to the rope. Due to the rope. Okay. So this is a very most important one application. So for example, problem about this mass of a body, so 5 kg. Rope is 2 kg. So like this, applied force is equal to 10 Newton. Applied force is equal to what? 10 Newton. What quantity of force acting on 5 kg body? What quantity of force acting on 5 kg body due to the rope? Due to the rope. First of all, we calculate the total acceleration. That is total force by total mass, M plus M. So F is equal to what? 10 Newton divided by, so 5 plus 2. That is equal to 10 by 7 meter per second square. This is an acceleration of the system. Acceleration of the total system moving like this. Total system. Now, so what quantity of tension will be acting on 5 kg massive body due to the rope? So tension is equal to what? Tension is equal to tension or force acting on 5 kg mass due to the rope. Tension is equal to M into acceleration. F by M plus M. So tension is equal to what? Capital M is what? 5 into acceleration is what? 10 by 7. 10 by total 50 by 7. So simply 7.1 approximately newtons. 7.1 newtons. So this is the tension. 50 by 7 is the final answer. So this is a important application in case of connected bodies. So one more application. In case of connected bodies. So like this. So three bodies connected end by end like this. This is the applied force. This is massive body M3, M2, M1. So tension between them is T1. Tension between M3 and M2 is T2. T2. These are the connected bodies. So like this. This is also important application. So by applied force on M1, the total system will be moving like this, in this way. Okay. So first of all, we calculate the acceleration of the system. Already we know total acceleration is equal to what? Total force divided by total mass. M1 plus M2 plus M3. This is an acceleration of the system. Very most important. Then first of all, find out T2. That is, T2 is the tension between M2 and M3. Okay. So I will go for free body diagram for M3. Free body diagrams. Dear students, free body diagram is the very most important. So before find out the T2 value, just draw the free body diagram for M3. Free body diagram for M3. Okay. So like this, free body diagram for M3. M3 is like this. This is the tension T2. So acceleration like this. Okay. So T2 is equal to what? T2 is equal to M3 into A. So T2 is equal to M3 into, what is the value of A? Like this. F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. So this is the T2 value. Next, find out T1. So T1 is the tension between M2 and M1. So T1 is greater than T2. Please remember it. T1 is greater than T2 nana. Okay, T1 is greater than, ఎందుకంటే T1 అనేది M3 ని M2 రెండింటిని క్యారీ చేస్తుంది. T2 ఓన్లీ M3 ని మాత్రమే క్యారీ చేస్తుంది. ఓకే. Now find out T1. So draw the free body diagram. So like this. M2. This is T1. This is T2. System like this. సిస్టమ్ ఎటువైతే మూవ్ అవుతుందో దాని టెన్షన్ జాస్తి ఉంటుంది, అంటే T1 చేస్తుంది. సో T1 మైనస్ T2 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వాట్? M2A. Find out T1. So T1 is equal to what? T2 plus M2A. T1 is equal to what? T2. What is the value of T2? T2 is equal to M3A. M3A plus M2A. So common, T1 is equal to M3 plus M2 into A. So finally T1 is equal to what? So T1 is equal to M2 plus M3 bracket begin. What is the value of A? Acceleration F divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Okay, so this is the tension T1. This is the tension T1. M2 plus M3 into, or simply T1 is equal to M2 plus M3 divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3 into F. This is the tension between M1 and M2. Okay. So this is the important one more application. So one problem about this connected bodies, in case of three bodies are connected. So for example, So for example, suppose dear students, this is 2 kg, 3 kg and 5 kg. Applied force is what? 10 Newton. So acceleration of system like this. Okay, so this is T1, this is T2. How to find out T1? So before find out the T1 value, so what is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to total force by total mass, m1 plus m2 plus m3. So F is equal to what? F is equal to 10 divided by m1 plus m2 plus m3 is what? 10. That is equal to 1 meter per second square. This is a common acceleration of the system. Then find out T1. Find T1. How to find out the value of T1? So T1 is equal to what? Already we know, like this. T1 is equal to mass into an acceleration, that is 2 kg into acceleration. T1 is equal to into acceleration is what? 1. That is 2 Newton. 2 Newton. Okay, simply, so for directly T2 is equal to what? T2 is equal to 3 kg into acceleration, that is 3 into 1, that is 3 Newton. This is only, that is nothing but T1 minus T2. This is the T1 minus T2. See, T1 minus T2 is equal to what? M2A. T1 minus T2 is equal to M2, that is 3 kg into A value 1, that is 3 Newton. So then, so finally T1 is equal to what? T1 is equal to 3 Newton plus T2. 3 plus T2 is equal to what? That is, T2. This is T1 minus T2. So first of all we calculate T2. So T1, this is T1. T1 is equal, this is T1, okay. Or this is T1, this is T2. I will take T2, okay. So this is T2. T2. So T2 is equal to what? T2 is equal to what? 2 Newton. So I want T1. T1 minus T2 equal to M2A. Please remember it. T1 minus T2 is equal to M2. This is M2 A. So A is equal to 1. 3 into 1, 3 Newton. Okay. Next, so I want T1. T1 equal to T2 plus 3 Newton. So T2 is equal to what? 2 plus 3. That is equal to 5 Newton. So T1 is equal to 5 Newton. Okay. So that is the T1 and T2 values. It is the easiest way by using this method. Okay. Next one. So next one. So next one is one more model. So like this is mass M1, this is pulley of mass M2. So like this. So in this case M2 greater than M1. So that is M2 is greater than M1. So in this case it is a frictionless surface. Just assume here it is a frictionless surface. This is an acceleration. So like this M2 jasti kabatti acceleration will be downwards. So like this. So weight of the body is, that is M2G. Weight of the body is M2G. So in this case, dear students, like this is the normal reaction. This is weight of the body, that is m1g downwards. m1g downwards. So in this case, this is the tension, and also, so system like this is the tension. Okay, or this is the tension. See, so one body and m1, another body is m2. These are connected by a pulley on a frictionless table. Okay, so m2 is greater than m1. So find the acceleration and also tension in the system. Acceleration and tension in the system. So it is very easy. So first of all, so draw the free body diagram for m2. So for free body diagram for m2. So m2 like this. This is weight downwards, m2g. This is a tension. System down ఉంది కాబట్టి m2g అనేది జాస్తినా. సో యాక్సిలరేషన్ డౌన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి, ఎందుకంటే m2 ఆల్రెడీ మనం గ్రేటర్ తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి టెన్షన్ అనేది లెస్ కంపేర్ టు ది వెయిట్. సో దెన్ system will be downwards, that is acceleration will be downwards. See, m2g minus tension is equal to m2a. So this is equation number 1. Similarly, so in this case, so acceleration direction lo undana, so ikkada manaki it is a frictionless surface. So tension అనేది m1 ని క్యారీ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు టెన్షన్ చేస్తుంది అక్కడ యాక్సిలరేషన్. సో ఏ డైరెక్షన్ లో ఉందో ఆ క్వాంటిటీ, సో వెయిట్ ఆర్ టెన్షన్ ఆర్ ఫోర్స్ వాట్ ఎవర్, దట్ ఈస్ హయ్యర్ వాల్యూ. సో t minus m1g is equal to m1a. This is equation number 2. So adding 1 and 2, adding 1 plus 2. So m plus, that is adding 1 plus 2, m2g minus t is equal to m2a, and minus m1g, it రాస్తున్నాను నేను, మైనస్ m1g ఫస్ట్ రాశాను, తర్వాత ప్లస్ t2 రాస్తాను, ప్లస్ t రాశాను, ప్లస్ t is equal to m1a. So cancel, minus t plus t cancel. So m2 minus m1 into g is equal to what? m1 plus m2 into g. So acceleration of the system is m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into g. Okay, so acceleration of the system is like this. So a is equal to what? m2 minus m1 by m1 plus m2 into g. This is a acceleration of the system. Okay, so by using acceleration value, substituting whether it is in equation 1 or equation 2, then to find out the tension, okay. So from equation 1, m2g minus t is equal to m2a, m2g like this minus m2a is equal to tension. So tension is equal to what? m2 will be common, g minus a. So dear students, what is the value of acceleration? So this is an acceleration. Substituting in that equation, then we will get tension of the rope or tension of the string. Tension inside the string. Okay, that is a tension. Okay. Okay. So now, so one problem about connected bodies like this, about this. Suppose problem this is 2 kg. And this is 3 kg. This is tension. Okay, this is also tension. This is an acceleration like this. This is an acceleration because of 3 kg. The 3 kg weight is more than that of 2 kg weight. So find out the acceleration of the system. So acceleration of the system is like this. Simply డైరెక్ట్గా చేయాలంటే మనం ఏదైతే జాస్తి ఉందో దాంట్లోంచి లోయర్ వాల్యూస్ మైనస్ చేసి ఇంటూ జీ రాస్తాం యాక్సలరేషన్ డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ మాస్ డైరెక్ట్ ఏ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు రెండింటిలో హైయెస్ట్ ఏంటన్నా 3 దట్ ఈజ్ m2 మైనస్ m1 ఇంటూ జీ డివైడెడ్ బై m1 ప్లస్ m. ఏదైతే జాస్తి ఉందో దాంట్లోంచి ఈ లోయర్ మాస్ మైనస్ చేసి జీతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తాం డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ మాస్. దేనికైనా సేమ్. So A is equal to m2 is what? 3 minus 2 by m1 plus m2, so that is 5 into g. I will take g value 10. So 5 ones are, 5 twos are, so that is 2 meter per second square. This is an acceleration. Substituting acceleration value in the equation 1, then we will get a tension also easily find. Okay, this is a one method. Important one. Next, another one. Next one is next model, application number 3. That is for another application. So like this, inclined surface. So making an angle theta. This is a body of mass m1, so like this. This is m2, inclined surface na. So m2, I will take m2 is greater than m1. m2 is greater than m1, so tension will be upwards. So weight m2g will be downwards. So this is the normal reaction like this. So this is the weight of the body. It is all in two components like this. First one is mg, that is m1g cos theta, and this is already we know m2g like this, m1g sin theta. This is m1g cos theta, this is m1g sin theta. So and this is the tension, this is an acceleration in this way. ఎందుకంటే అది మూవ్ అవుతుంది, సిస్టమ్ అది మూవ్ అవుతుందన్నా ఇక్కడ వచ్చి సిస్టమ్ డౌన్వర్డ్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. ఎందుకంటే m2 గ్రేటర్ దాన్ m1. ఓకే, హౌ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద యాక్సలరేషన్ అండ్ ఆల్సో టెన్షన్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఈజీ, సేమ్ మ్యానర్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఫర్ డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్కి వచ్చేసి మనం ఇంకా డిస్కస్ చేసాం. ఎట్లా ఉన్నా సరే ఏది జాస్తి ఉంటే దాంట్లోంచి అది మైనస్ చేయాలన్నా. సో డైరెక్ట్ చెప్తుందంట ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి దీనికన్నా ఇది స్మాలర్ వాల్యూ కాబట్టి m2g మైనస్ m1g sin theta divided by m1 plus m. This is an acceleration. This is an acceleration. m2g minus m1g sin theta by m1 plus. This is the direct formula. హయ్యర్ వాల్యూలోంచి లోయర్ మాస్ బాడీని మైనస్ చేస్తాం డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ మాస్ చేస్తాం. దేనికైనా సరే సిస్టమ్ ఎట్లా ఉన్నా సరే దిస్ ఈస్ ద బేసిక్ ప్రిన్సిపల్. ఓకే, డైరెక్ట్ మెథడ్. సో మనం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం జస్ట్. ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటే ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఫర్ m2, ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఫర్ m2. సో m2 చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి టెన్షన్ తక్కువ, సిస్టమ్ డౌన్కి వస్తుందనా. సో m2 హయ్యర్ వాల్యూ, సో m2g మైనస్ టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m2a. This is equation number 1. సో ఇక్కడ తీసుకుంటేనా సో టెన్షన్ హయ్యర్, ఎందుకంటే ఈ టెన్షన్ అనేది ఎంజీ సైన్ తీటా ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ బాడీ మొత్తాన్ని అటు పుల్ చేస్తుంది కాబట్టి టీ మైనస్ m1g సైన్ తీటా ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు m1a. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2. రైట్, చూడాలి ఒకసారి మీరు. దిస్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఇంక్లైన్డ్ సర్ఫేస్. తీటా అనేది angle made by the inclined surface with horizontal. So whenever the body in inclined surface, so the tension will be resolved into two components, or normal reaction is resolved into two components. So anyway, whatever it weight also, this weight always downwards. It resolved into two components. That is m1g sin theta along inclined surface and m1g cos theta along downward direction. Okay. So in this case, tension is controlled by m1g sin theta. And of course, tension controlled by m2g, like this in this case. So first of all, draw the free body diagram for m2 free body diagram draw chesana. So m2g jasti kabatti endukante m2 greater than m1, so m2g minus t is equal to m2a. This is equation number 1. So ikkada ee unit lo తీసుకుంటే free body diagram దీనికి కనుక t is the higher value, ఎందుకంటే సిస్టమ్ అటు మూవ్ అవుతుంది, ఏ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవుతుందో దాని ఫోర్స్ హయ్యర్ రా. సో t minus m1g sin theta is equal to m1a. That is equation number 2. Okay, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. 1 and 2 when మనం యాడ్ చేస్తారా m2g minus t is equal to m2a. సో ఫస్ట్ పాజిటివ్ t రాసాను, నెక్స్ట్ ఇది రాస్తున్నాను మైనస్ m1g sin theta is equal to m1a. Cancel, tension will be cancelled. So m2g minus m1g sin theta is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. So what is the value of a? m2g minus m1g sin theta by m1 plus a. So already in the same. So a is equal to what? G will be common, m2 minus m1 sin theta into g divided by m1 plus m1 plus m2. This is the acceleration of the system. Substituting acceleration value in equation 1 or 2, then we will get tension also. Okay? So now, okay? So one more problem about this. Suppose this is a 2 kg massive body, 2 kg body. This is the 3 kg body. I will take g is equal to 10 meter per second square. And theta is equal to what? 30 degree. Theta is the 30 degree. Find the acceleration of the system. Find the acceleration of the, and hence calculate the tension also. So find the, first of all we calculate the tension, we calculate the acceleration of the system. Acceleration is equal to what? Cheppan already, higher value m2g minus m1g sin theta divided by total mass. A is equal to what? m2 minus m1 sin theta into g divided by m1 plus m. The acceleration is equal to m2 3 minus m1 2 sin 30 degree by into 10 g value. m1 plus m2 is what? 3 plus 2 5. 5 ones are 5 twos are. So 3 minus 2 sin 30 1 by 2. Okay, into 2 cancel out. 2 cancel out. Okay, 3 minus 1 2 into 2, that is equal to 4 meter per second square. This is a acceleration of the system. 3 minus 1, 2, 2 into 2, 4. 4 meter per second. This is the acceleration of the system. సో టెన్షన్ కూడా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే మనకి ఆల్రెడీ సింపుల్గా ఇక్కడ m2g జాస్తి ఉంది కాబట్టి నాన్న m2g minus t is equal to what? m2a. So m2g, what is the value of m2 ra? That is 2. That is 3. 3 into 10 minus capital T. m2 value 3 nana, g value 10 no, minus t equal to what is the value of m2? 3 into acceleration is what? 4. So that is 30 minus t is equal to 12. 30 minus 12 is equal to t. So t is equal to what? That is 18 Newton. Simple. So 18 plus 12 is 30. Okay. Simple ga మనం క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసేయచ్చు. ఓకే నానా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Next, one more application. One more application like this. M1 m2, this is theta 1, this is theta 2. Okay, this is the m1 massive body. See dear student, same m2 greater than m1. మీరు ఏదైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు. m2 greater than m1 తీసుకోవచ్చు, లేదంటే m1 greater than m2, వాటెవర్. ఏది తీసుకున్నా కూడా యాక్సలరేషన్ అన్నప్పుడు హయ్యర్ వాల్యూ నుంచి హయ్యర్ మాసివ్ బాడీ నుంచి లోయర్ మాసివ్ బాడీని మైనస్ చేసేట్టున్నారు. దట్ ఈస్ ఫోర్సెస్. So this is the acceleration direction. Because of m2 is high, this is downward direction. This is the tension. This is the weight. m2g. Okay. So inclined angles కాబట్టి nana, this is the normal reaction. So this is the weight. So weight can be resolved into m1g, resolved into two fragments or two components. So that is m1g sin theta, and this is m1g cos theta. Similarly like this. Similarly, this is m2g sin theta, and this is mg. This is m2g cos theta. m2g. So which one is more? m2 is more, and also theta is also high. Theta, I will take theta 2 greater than theta 1, suppose. Okay. How to find out the acceleration? Already we know. For direct acceleration is equal to what? Acceleration is equal to higher mass m2g sin theta minus m1g sin theta whole divided by m1 plus simple. So లేదంటే మనం సాల్వ్ చేద్దాం అనుకుంటే జస్ట్ free body diagram for m2. So free body diagram for m2. So ఏంటో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేస్తే లైక్ దిస్. m2g sin theta down kumina, and tension will be up. So m2g highest కాబట్టి ఎందుకంటే acceleration like this, system moving downwards. So higher value m2g sin theta minus tension is equal to m2a. This is equation number 1. ఇక్కడ కూడా ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ సేమ్ డ్రా చేస్తే కనుక మనకి ఏం చేస్తారా, టెన్షన్ చేస్తే, ఎందుకంటే అటు మూవ్ అవుతుంది సిస్టమ్గా. t మైనస్ m1g sin theta is equal to m1 into a. This is equation number 2. Adding 1 and 2. సో యాడ్ చేస్తే కనుక మనం m2g sin theta minus t is equal to m2a. సో దీన్ని ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నాను రా ప్లస్ t మైనస్ m1g sin theta is equal to m1a. క్యాన్సిల్ అవుట్ అనా ఇక్కడ మనకి g sin theta g ఆల్రెడీ కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి m2 minus m1 g sin theta is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. So acceleration is equal to what? m2 minus m1 g sin theta. Sorry, these are the theta 1, theta 2. So theta 1, theta 2 kabatti. So this is theta 2 and also this is theta 1. So this is theta 2, this is theta 1. So theta 2 నుండి కాబట్టి కామన్ అయ్యలేదు. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి m2g sin theta 2 minus m1g sin theta 1 is equal to m1 plus m2 into a. m1 plus m2 into a. Okay. So now acceleration is equal to what? G is common. m2 sin theta 2 minus m1 sin theta 1 whole divided by m1 plus into g. This is an acceleration. Substituting acceleration value in equation 1 or 2, then we will get a tension also. Okay, this is the easiest. Already మనం డిస్కస్ చేశానన్నా ఏది హయ్యర్ ఫోర్స్ దాంట్లో నుంచి లోయర్ ఫోర్స్ మైనస్ చేస్తాం డివైడెడ్ బై టోటల్ మాస్ వేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, డైరెక్ట్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. మీరు ఇదంతా ఎగ్జామినేషన్ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ వ్యూ చేసే పనే ఉంటుంది. సో ఐ విల్ గో ఫర్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అబౌట్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. So for example, theta is equal to 30 degree, theta 2 is equal to 45 degree, suppose 45 degree or 60 degree. So m2 is equal to 3 kg, m1 is equal to 2 kg, like this. m1 is equal to what? 2 kg mass in body. m1 is equal to 2 kg. How to find out the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to what? Direct m2 3 kg sin theta 2 is equal to what? 60 degree minus m1 2 kg sin 30 degree divided by m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 is what? That is 3 plus 2 5 into g value 10. I will take g is equal to 10. So 5 ones are 5. It is clear. A is equal to what? 3 into sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus 2 into sin 30 1 by 2. Cancel into 2. So that is simply this is root 3 by 2. This is 1.5 into root 3 minus 1 into 2. This is A. A is equal to that is 1.5 root 3 value 1.7, nearly 1.713 minus 1 into 2. సో సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి ఎంత వస్తే అంత యాక్సిలరేషన్. సో నేను డైరెక్ట్గా తీసుకున్నాను కాబట్టి సమ్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్ వస్తుంది. అట్లా కావాలంటే డైరెక్ట్గా చేసుకుంటే ఇది నియర్లీ సంథింగ్ 4, సపోజ్ ఇట్ విల్ బి 4 ఆర్ 3.7 వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్. సో -1 చేసి ఇంటూ 2 చేస్తుంటే మనకి ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్ అనేది ఈజీగా వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ ద ఈజియెస్ట్ వే. మనం డైరెక్ట్గా యాక్సిలరేషన్ రాసేయచ్చు. సిస్టమ్ని బట్టి మనం డైరెక్ట్గా యాక్సిలరేషన్ మనం ఈజీగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసేయచ్చు. సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ Next one, so one problem. So like this, the system as shown in the figure. This is suppose 2 kg. This is also 2 kg. This is root 2 kg. This is the tension. This is also tension. Okay. Okay. This is the this is the angle theta, this is also angle theta. The system as shown in the figure, so 3 massive bodies, 2 kg, 2 kg and root 2 kg. So theta be the angle made by the body M or tension or thread with vertical. Then find out the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. Okay. So the tension in nearly 45. Then I will go for rectangular components. So dissolve into 2 components. This is dissolve into 2 components. This is the already we know vertical component T cos theta, and this is T sin theta. Similarly, like this is also resolved into 2 components. This is T cos theta and this is T sin theta. So T sin theta both are equal in magnitude and opposite direction, they are cancelled out. T cos theta. So same in direction, then they can be added. So ultimately 2T cos theta is equal to weight, that is root 2 mg. Root 2 mg. So what is the value of tension? So in this case, this is of course, this is tension, this is the weight mg. So draw the free body diagram for this only. So free body diagram. So tension is equal to what? T is equal to what? Mg. Because of, if the system in equilibrium, if the system in, find the value of theta. If the total system in equilibrium, that is rest లో ఉందనా, కంప్లీట్ గా సిస్టమ్ రెస్ట్ లో ఉంది. ఎందుకంటే ఇది పైకి మూవట్లేదు, డౌన్ కి రావట్లేదు, ఇది కూడా పైకి మూవట్లేదు, డౌన్ కి రావట్లేదు. సిస్టమ్ ఈక్విలిబ్రియం లో ఉందంటే టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వెయిట్. టెన్షన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు వెయిట్. సో T is equal to what? mg. So substituting T value, T2 into T is equal to what? mg cos theta is equal to root 2 mg. mg cancel. So cos theta is equal to what? Root 2 by 2. That is root 2 divided by root 2. 2 ni root 2 rasana. So theta equal to cos inverse of 1 by root. That is equal to 45 simply. So the question is, the system as shown in the figure, it will be in equilibrium. So find the value of theta. Find the value of theta. So the weights are 2 kg, root 2 kg. Okay. This is the simple way to find out the value of theta. So next one. Next one is another problem. A rod of length L, okay, by the force will be F. Applied force at one end is F. So what will be the force at a distance of x on the rod of length L? So this is a rod of length L. This is the applied force. So then the system moving like this. The system moving like this. Here is the isolation of the system. Okay. So what will be the tension on the rod at a distance of x from end A? This is end B. End A and end B. Okay. So ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఫోర్స్ యాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది అంటున్నాను సెంటర్ లో ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ at a distance, not center, at a distance x. సో ఇది x అయితే ఇది మొత్తం ఎంత దగ్గర ఈ రిమైనింగ్ L minus x. So before going to discuss free body diagram, it will be splitting into two parts. So like this. This is x. I will take this is m1, this is m2, this is L minus x. This is the force. This is the tension. So what quantity of force acting at a distance of x from end A? End A. Okay. Okay. Then linear, I will take a linear mass density formula. Linear mass density. Mu is equal to linear mass density, total mass by total length. Total mass by total length. Already we know linear mass density. Mu is equal to total mass is what? Total mass is m. By total length is what? L. Okay. Total mass is m. Now mass of m1. Mass of m1 is equal to, so linear mass density into length x. So that is equal to, mu is equal to what? M by L into x. Similarly, mass of m2. Linear mass density into distance, length L minus x. That is equal to m by L into L minus x. ఎందుకంటే డిస్టెన్స్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతే మీ మాస్ మన మాస్ మనకే ఉంటుంది అనమాట, మాస్ ఆఫ్ ఎల్. ఓకే. సో వాట్ క్వాంటిటీ ఆఫ్ ఫోర్స్ యాక్టింగ్ ఆర్ టెన్షన్ యాక్టింగ్ అట్ డిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ఎండ్ ఏ? సో ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఇన్ దిస్ కేస్ టెన్షన్. సో టెన్షన్, ఫ్రీ బాడీ డయాగ్రామ్ ఫర్ m2, free body diagram for m2 like this. So T is equal to what? m2 into A. m2 into A. So here will be the acceleration of the system. So tension is equal to, what is the value of m2? What is the value of m2? m2 is equal to m by L, L minus x. L minus x into A. Okay. So this is the tension acting at a distance of x from end A. End A. Okay. This is the tension. Or T is equal to, that is 1 minus x by L into M. Where A is the acceleration of the system. A will be the acceleration of the system. Okay. Next one more problem. Okay. So MA is nothing but a force, nana. 1 minus x by L into M. This is F. F is equal to MA. Okay? Important one. Problem. Next one. Apparent weight. Next concept. Apparent weight. Apparent weight. So The person inside the moving lift, that lift is moving upwards or downwards, whatever it, some variation of weight inside some quantity of weight will be changes. The weight will be changes whenever the system moving, that is the lift moving upwards or downwards. So the variation of weight of the original weight of the body is nothing but simply apparent weight. So apparent weight, suppose in case of lift, apparent weight of a person or person inside the lift. Apparent weight of a person inside the lift. So suppose the lift moving upwards. Lift moving upwards. So like this. This is the normal reaction. Lift moving upwards, acceleration will be upwards. Then weight of the body, suppose mass m, mg will be downwards. Mg will be downwards. The lift moving upwards, in this case, normal reaction or weight of the body is high. So normal reaction is equal to what? Normal reaction minus mg is equal to ma. So n is equal to ma plus mg. N is equal to, m is the common, a plus g. So this is a plus a or g plus a, whatever it. G plus a. So the apparent weight is more than that of actual weight of the body whenever the body moving upwards inside the lift. Actually weight of the body is what? mg konta add avutundi kabatti, so in this case the apparent weight of the person inside the lift which is moving upwards is more than that of actual weight. Suppose what weight 60 kgs anukunte paiki వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు he feels 65 kg. Okay, next second one, lift moving downwards. So like this, lift moving downwards, this is a normal reaction. So weight mg, so acceleration will be downwards because of lift moving downwards. M be the mass of the person. So in this case, the lift moving downwards, weight of the person is high. So like this, mg minus normal reaction is equal to ma. Okay, so m is pakostena, mg minus ma is equal to m. So m is equal to what? M common g minus a. This is the weight, apparent weight or normal reaction of the person when the lift moving downward direction. In this case, apparent weight is smaller than the actual weight. He feels weightlessness when the person moving downward direction. Suppose the weight of the person is 60 kg, the lift moving downwards, he feels 55 kg. He feels 55 kg. Because actual weight lunch for the acceleration is minus అవుతుంది. So there is a lift moving upwards or lift moving under downwards. So one problem about lift, see apparent weight, how to find out the apparent weight. The apparent weight of a man inside the lift which is moving up is 900 Newton. When the lift is moving down with the same acceleration, apparent weight is found to be 300 Newton. The mass of the man, the mass of the man is, take g is equal to what? 10 meter per second square. So the apparent weight of the man inside the lift which is moving up. So upward direction, m into g plus a. Okay. What is the weight? 900 already given. M. G value I will take 10 plus A. This is equation number 1. That is equation number 1. Next one. When the lift is moving down, same acceleration. Apparent weight is what? 300 Newton. In second case, 300 is equal to M into 10 plus A. This is equation number 2. So find out the actual mass of the body, or actual mass of the man. So dividing 1 by 2 nana. So dividing equation 1 by 2, that is 900 by 300 is equal to M into 10 plus A by M into 10 plus A. Okay, M get cancelled out, 00, 3 ones are 3 threes are. So cross multiplication, 30 plus 3A is equal to 10 plus A. Okay. 30 plus A is equal to 10 plus A. Okay. So now, if 10 is equal to 30 minus 10 is equal to A minus 3A. A minus 3A. Okay. Sorry, this is E minus. Because of lift moving downward direction. This is minus. Sorry, minus. This is minus. Lift moving downward direction. 10 minus A. This is 10 minus A. On cross multiplication like this. 30 minus 3A is equal to 10 plus A. 10 plus A. So that is 20 is equal to 4A. A is equal to what? 5 meter per second square. This is an acceleration of the system. Substituting A value in equation 1 or 2, whatever it, then we will get mass. So from equation 1, 900 is equal to M into 10 plus 5, 50. M is equal to what? 900 by 50. So 960. So 60 kg. Mass of the person is what? 60 kg. This is one problem about the apparent weight. First, it is very easy. So weight of the system moving upward direction, M into G plus A, that is 900 is equal to M into 10 plus A. Next one, weight of the person moving downwards, the lift moving downwards with same acceleration. So formula is nothing but weight is equal to M into G minus C. What is the value of A? What is the value of G? 10. So substituting these two values. So then equation 1 by 2, then we will get the final acceleration. Then substituting acceleration value in equation 1 or 2, then we will get the final answer. Mass of the body is 60 kg. Okay. Next one. Next problem. That is 2. When an empty lift moving down with an acceleration of G by 4, the tension in the cable is 900 Newton. When an empty lift moving down with an acceleration is what? G by 4. Downwards. Lift moving downwards. For downward direction like this, W is equal to what? M into G minus A. Downward. M into G minus A. That is down. Lift moving down. So there is tension or weight already given. Tension is 900 like this. This is 900 M G minus what is the acceleration? So acceleration of the system, of course, when the empty lift moving down, the acceleration is what? G by 4. G by 4. So 900 is equal to M into 4G minus G, 3G by 4. This is equation number 1. Next one, lift moving upwards. Lift moving upwards. With an acceleration of what? With an acceleration G by 3. Tension is given. So find out the tension. Find the tension in the cable. So lift moving upwards. In this case, tension or weight is equal to what? M into G plus A. So our tension or weight M into G plus A value G by 3. That is equal to M into 3G plus G, 4G by 3. So this is equation number 2. So dividing 1 by 2. Dividing equation 1 by equation 2. 900 by T is equal to M get cancelled, students. 3G by 4 into 3 by 4G. G cancel out. 9 cancel out. So on cross multiplication, tension is equal to 4 into 4, 16 into 100 Newton. This is the 1600 Newton. That is the final answer. Okay. So connected bodies are very most important, and also applications about connected bodies also very most important. Okay. Thank you.